3 weeks of staring at this glass, waiting for creativity to strike. Nothing. Bob, creativity doesn't work like that. There's a 4-stage process your brain goes through, first explained by Graham Wallace in 1926. Stages? I thought I'd just think really hard. That's your problem. Let me introduce you to preparation, incubation, illumination, and verification. The first stage is preparation. It has 2 parts, general and directed preparation. Your creativity begins with the knowledge and experience you've accumulated. The more you know, the more potential you have to generate creative ideas. So, I need to know more stuff. Exactly. A broad education across unrelated disciplines gives you material for creative connections. This is where associative theory comes in. According to Mednick's research, the most obvious ideas come first. As you generate more, you deplete the obvious ones and start producing creative ideas. So my first 100 ideas will be garbage. Pretty much. But here's the key. Over-inclusive thinking. Most people can't see relationships between different categories. Creative people connect seemingly unrelated things like how you might combine knowledge of beverages, seasonal markets, and thermodynamics. That's how I got premium mountain water with ice. That's just frozen water, Bob, but I appreciate the effort. Now, directed preparation is where you select one specific problem and research everything about it. What's your problem? My water with ice business dies in winter. That's my problem. Perfect. Now fill your mind with research. Seasonal businesses, winter beverage markets, consumer behavior in cold weather. This knowledge becomes fuel for your subconscious in the next stage. Stage 2 is incubation, and you can't control this stage. What do you mean I can't control it? Incubation happens in your brain's default network. Your operative subconscious involuntarily processes information, searching for solutions. But here's the catch. When you consciously focus on the problem, you prevent this from happening. Wait, to solve my problem, I need to stop thinking about it? Exactly. You need mental relaxation or diversion. Take a walk, shower, do mindless tasks. Your subconscious needs the executive network disengaged to work its magic. That's why I solved my pricing problem while thinking about lunch. Perfect example. Your directed preparation primed your subconscious to work on your specific problem instead of just random daydreaming. The incubation stage could take minutes, hours, or weeks. You can't rush it. Stage 3 is illumination, the eureka aha moment when your subconscious delivers solutions to your conscious mind. Right, so this is when everything clicks. Yes, but you can't control when or how it happens. Your subconscious has been connecting disparate facts, experiences, and memories. Then suddenly, boom, the answer appears. Like when I was watching a cooking show about chocolate and suddenly realized I could pivot to hot chocolate for winter. Textbook illumination. Your subconscious connected your seasonal problem, premium beverage knowledge, heated chocolate, and probably memories of ski trips. All those pieces came together unexpectedly. Can I make it happen faster? No. You can optimize preparation and create conditions for incubation, but you cannot speed up illumination. When it happens, capture it immediately. Write it down, record it. These moments can be fleeting. The final stage is verification, where you test the ideas delivered during illumination against objective criteria using logic and critical thinking. So I need to check if my brilliant idea is actually brilliant? Exactly. Your subconscious rarely delivers ideas in a final, useful form. The revelation provides a starting point, but you need to verify it, test it, refine it, and shape it into something implementable. So illumination's the rough draft, verification is the editing. Perfect analogy. Your creative subconscious did the heavy lifting, but your logical, conscious mind needs to make it real. Test the hot chocolate idea. Does it solve your seasonal problem? Are the profit margins viable? Who's the target customer? What if it fails verification? Then you go back to incubation. The creative process requires both unbridled subconscious activity and structured conscious effort. All 4 stages working together produce truly creative, novel, and useful ideas. So let me recap. Preparation loads my mental database with general and specific knowledge. Incubation lets my subconscious work on it while I do mindless activities. Illumination delivers the aha moment, and I can't control that. and verification tests and refines the idea into something real? Perfect. Understanding this process means you can work with your brain instead of against it. You've already done directed preparation on your seasonal problem. Now go do something mindless and let your subconscious work. I'm going to organize my sock drawer for creativity purposes. That's actually perfect for incubation. Go let your default network engage. And when illumination strikes, write it down, then verify it. The process might cycle multiple times before you get your final implementable idea.